Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is a couple of youngsters going to rice loft, and I'm gonna show you a couple of birds going to the Meadow loft. So this two youngsters, I just put a ring on it. They're going to the Meadow loft. I'll tell you later when they grow up. So up here, and the youngsters up there. Sorry, I gotta clean the loft. Maybe tomorrow. That's a bit of distance, but no, they're not going. Definitely her baby's going. And also this one. They done really good for me this year. Makai one loft. One of those birds, every single rise, except for one, and every single rise always top 3. So on the final, they both on the drop. I got 9 birds on the drop. Out of 9, I have 3. So this one of them runs 2nd and 5th, and another one runs 7th. So that's beautiful. So that's a single nest for her. She's definitely going. And I'm trying sending one of her baby. It's a Jansen cock and Baskerville hen. Got 2 babies there somewhere. Yeah, that's another one there. And down here, it's nothing much. It's normal last round babies going around. Definitely hers going. Last round for her, and also of her Hammond Cross Gabby. Beautiful. And also one of her babies. So Pew went and ball. Only one pair I got here. Got many plays. So that's my Gabby Cross Van Lane. So she's also have a bit of Gabby on it. She's my gold ring winner. I think 2020 from Warwick to Rockhampton. 9 hours and 18 minutes on the wings, and also she's 1 hour and 23 minutes ahead from the club. So she's beautiful. She got 2 babies there. I'll pick one. Maybe hen. Maybe cock. So down here. So she's the mother of my gold ring winner. She with the Cuban cock. So, well, she got 3 babies. But it's only one of her baby, and 2 of them from next door. I'll show what they are. So the cockbird is a Pure Gabby, and the henbird is Miss Ellie Wings Jansen. So she produced me a lot of one loft birds. So I raised this fellow, so it's a bit different. So it'll be alright, it'll go good, but I'll never know. I'll send one of her baby again to try it out. So down here, that's a bit of feeding time going around. That's everywhere, looking good, looking good. Alrighty, it's still a bit of cloudy, but it's still inside. Alright, cheers for your time, guys. Thank you for watching.